In this video tutorial, I will cover how to modify a background object within a multi-layer PSD working file. In this instance, I will show you how to resize and clone a rendered Jax. Start by opening the Layer panel. Turn off the flooring layer. Then find which layer the Jax pixels are located. If you're not sure which layer the Jax pixels are located, turn off and on the visibility eye on each layer until you find them. Next, a good tool to select the entire Jax, including the outline, would be the lasso tool. Simply pick a spot on the outside of the Jax, hold down your mouse, and drag the lasso around the exterior of the Jax. You don't have to be precise with this tool. In order to resize your Jax, you'll need to use the Move tool. Again, I recommend trying to find which layer the Jax pixels are located. If you receive this error, it means that the pixels you are attempting to alter are not on the layer that you have active. Once you find the correct layer, make that the current layer by picking on the gray band. Next, at the top of your screen in the Options panel, check the Show Control Tools. This will give you a bounding box, and if you pick from any corner and hold the Shift key down, you won't distort your Jax. It will maintain the X and the Y ratio. Next, we will clone the Jax pixels. The Move tool must be current. Hover the mouse over the Jax pixels, pick on the Alt key if you're on a PC, or the Option key on a Mac. When you see the double arrows, pick with the mouse, hold down, and drag a cloned set of pixels to the side. Do not let go of the Alt or the Option key until you are done with the cloning process. Go ahead and deselect the pixels, Control D on a PC, Command D on a Mac. Let's get ready to move our set of Jax onto their own layer. Right now, the Jax are located underneath the flooring layer. Turn off the flooring layer visibility once again. Then go to the background layer, make that current. Select the Jax using the Marquee tool or the selection tool of your choice. Whichever selection tool you choose, make sure that you get the entire set of Jax, including the outline. Switch back to the Move tool. Control X on a PC or Command X on a Mac will cut the pixels off the background. You will need to create a new layer in order to paste the pixels on. Make the new layer current, Control V on a PC, or Command V, as in Victor, on a Mac to paste the new pixels in place. Use the Move tool to move the Jax into view. Turn back on the floor layer to look for repairs. Because the white pixels only exist on the Jax layer, we want to uncheck Sample All Layers, make sure you're current on the Jax layer, magic wand the white pixels, and pick the Delete key. By unchecking Sample All Layers, you've only selected the white pixels on the Jax layer. We still have a floor repair to make. Try patching the hole in the floor with the Pattern Stamp tool. If you're unable to find your pattern or it doesn't patch up perfectly, then you should create a new flooring layer, turn off the old one, and replace the floor stamp. A new flooring layer was created and replaced the old one. The new flooring layer exists below the Jax layer. Because the Jax are now isolated on their own layer, we can apply layer special effects. Because the flooring layer was replaced, we now need to add some more burn and dodge effects around the furniture. I will continue to use the burn tool, beneath the furniture to create a shadow effect. I will then use the dodge tool adjacent to those burned pixeled areas to create some contrast.